Hey guys, Basil and Will, we're Grayson Hobby, and I'm trying to make
no point in holding
I'm trying to make him hold an airplane. Different place today. We're not at the shop, we're at a field. We're at a local flying field, Hilltop Flyers. We'll put the link below. They are great guys, and you can see it. They got a nice paved, or what do you call it, runway?
Geotextile.
Yep, and grass. So when they fly electrics and gas. Anyways, we're right here with the Dynam P51.
We've done a little bit of improvement with the prop assembly. The original prop everyone knows was trash.
Three blade. It was also horrible. A 3-blade in the Mustang.
Yeah, it's like the worst prop ever. But now we got a 4-blade prop. They've changed the paint scheme a little bit. Other than that, it's pretty much same old plane. They have added flaps to it,
which is awesome.
So we have flaps, retracts, all that good stuff.
Yep.
So
they go up and down. They go down.
Flaps.
All right.
And we got the flaps. So
cool
we got that.
Yep. Now, before you guys ask, this is a ParkFlyer. This is not a Speed Demon. It's not ultra scale, so this is a great first-ish kind of airplane. Nothing you can have to worry about getting damaged if you crash, because you will. So this is not like the ultimate scale guide, not the ultimate Speed Demon.
It's a decent introduction to warbirds.
It's a great...
Warbirds do fly different.
Right.
It's a good flying warbird that's not going to break the bank.
So if you have a small park, a soccer field, baseball field, you can fly this guy there. You don't need to come to a, to an airfield like we are here. It doesn't go that fast. However, it does need, probably going to need some kind of paved surface to land and take off, because it does, the wheel retracts, regardless of what brand you get, do need and like
it tends to nose over in grass and all that, especially tall grass. A lot of the warbirds and all that have a hard time with that, especially lightweight foamies. Like
no better time to do a pre-flight check is pre-flight.
Ailerons are backwards.
Well, hey, that's why we do a what? Pre-flight. So what battery you got in there? They got the Grayson Gold 20 what?
Yeah, 2200.
3-cell. This is why I like this plane, because it flies on a small 4-blade prop on a 3-cell. Yeesh. Okay.
Right, so we got a crosswind takeoff here.
Looks like you made it. You go down the middle of the center line, and I'll go here. Yeah, I'm ready. 63. And let's try one more time to make sure we got the right.
Ready?
Yep. What do you got? There he comes. And we're not going downwind or upwind, we're going crosswind, so. 60, all right, I'll buy that.
A little fast approach, a little fast. I'm gonna hold some up all day once I touch. Pretty fast approach again.
Yep.
Yeah, we're gonna skip that one.
Balter. You chose a great way to come in there.
Not bleed speed very well.
So if I were as you, I would go further down the runway before I cut that power, or go the other direction so we both can see it. I would take.
And of course, as soon as I touch down, you're in the way. So I did a 5-minute flight. I wanted to make sure that I didn't over discharge battery for the first flight, so I think 5 minutes is a very conservative number for these. So let me grab my cell checker. 41%.
Okay.
3.82. So we get a 5-minute flight almost on the dot. I got 15 seconds left on a 5-minute timer.
So 5-minute flight, perfect.
And I got 43% left.
And where's that battery location?
Now I got a 2200 gold shoved all the way up front. Being a P51, I'd like to see a little more power out of this.
But it's a 3-cell ParkFlyer.
But it's a 3-cell ParkFlyer, exactly. It's no ballistic missile by any means.
Right, it's a nice.
But 60 miles an hour is respectable.
Oh yeah, definitely. So if it's a nice little ParkFlyer, you got, if you're looking for something in the ParkFlyer range. You gonna take off with flaps or without flaps? No flaps. Which way are you gonna take off? All right, hold on, let me get down here. I challenge you to a duel.
All right, well, I hope you move.
No, I'm moving. Gears down still. All right, put him up right above the field. There they go. Too far away though. So you do have flaps down? All right, here we go. So we're gonna come by nice and slow. Put that gear down. Look at that, beautiful.
You go around. You're using your rudder to turn move? Yes.
So Will is doing a rudder turn here as it gets out of focus.
Still banking, but I am coordinating rudder. Alright, so you're up. This thing is just crawling.
See, that's how.
That is just so slow.
Look how slow that thing's going.
Signs of stalling either, so I am full flap though, so I am cheating.
So all right, you got full flaps on it. That's good to know. All right, touch and go for.
Little hot, little hot, little hot, little hot. Now, one thing I don't know if you saw that in the video, but as soon as I touched down, because I had the forward momentum, it was trying to dig the nose, so I had to pull up on it. But if you pull up too much, you're just gonna take it back off. Yeah. So you have to really maintain. So I'm gonna flare it a little more, flare it, flare it.
Well, it's getting fancy now. Inverted.
Gotta remember when you flip around.
A little rusty over there. He's looking good though.
Yeah, it's been a while. This is not a multi-rotor. I'm a little confused.
Yeah. You're actually in the. You have to actually fly line of sight.
Flies very well. I mean, this is a very well put rotor. And normally I've never been really impressed with the way P51s fly. They always look good.
Well, yeah. You know, this is traditionally not a scale, so you're getting a P51 look without the P51 tendencies.
I probably should land it, but I'm kind of enjoying this, so it's a bad idea. But that was a bug. I just hit a bug.
I just heard some kind of a noise.
It hit a bug. Grass landing or no? I don't think it's gonna do it. No, I don't know if it's right.
Yeah.
I think that'll, yeah.
No, we won't break it. And P51 fashion. So do you need flaps to land that guy?
Not really, but I wanted to try to slow it down a
Yeah.
little bit because it was kept going.
Right.
So definitely I'd say if this is one of your maiden flights with it, try to find a place with a good run out for a landing.
Yeah.
Other than that, really there's not much. It flies slow, it flies decent. It's got a
60
good
miles
flight
an hour,
envelope.
yeah.
Did invert it, did loops, did rolls.
Yep, nice little plane right there.
I mean, there's definitely nothing wrong with it. I would say for the money, good little flyer.
And we're gonna check the battery.
All right, so yeah, so we got 2 minutes and 38 seconds past my 5-minute timer that I was using
7:28.
And let's see. 35%, 3.8. It's still, I mean, I still had more time to fly.
So you could fly that. Well, you flew slow. You flew
7.5
fast.
minutes. Yeah, I mean.
So 8 minutes would be like like pushing it,
If
right?
your envelope is including slow and all that too, because I did actually do a lot of it slow. With 2200, I probably wouldn't stretch 7 minutes. I would, again, fly at 5 minutes, set your timer 5 minutes. That way it gives you an extra minute to land in case you're having a hard time landing, stuff like that. I always try to keep a little bit of buffer because you don't want to over discharge your battery and kill your battery too.
That's definitely, yeah. So.
Or crash the plane because your battery died.
Yeah.
All
right, guys, there it is. There is our review of the Dynam P51. It's a great little airplane. Yep. Again, it's not going to be a speed demon, but it's perfect for a small area, like a park.
Something you can fly at a
perfect
park
for a park, but doesn't have
noise.
gas crap like that in the background. So.
I still like nitro, but.
Right. All right, leave a comment below. What do you think? And if you guys get one of these and you guys do some modifications and stickers and scaled up, shoot us put your pictures on our Instagram or tag us on Instagram and Facebook, all that good stuff, and we like to see them. All right, thanks for watching.